Just wanted to do a little tour here of the man cave. My sneaker print. Some more artwork. My CNC cut Jordan Jumpman. Here I have some framed 12-inch paintings, paintings on 12-inch vinyl. Picked these up off eBay. As you kind of come down into the cave, I have my beaver machine. Worst thing about this machine, the cost of filling it. Ridiculously expensive. Some more artwork. Here, this is temporary. Got a couple little old consoles. This is just here for the time being. Then here's the games area. So you got the Mario MAME, which is a Nintendo arcade cabinet, Mario Brothers. MAME console emulation. My Popeye, I'm going to convert to put one of these Pandora Box 3 boards in. Just kind of give it more playability. The Donkey Kong's got a 60-in-1 board with a scanline generator. And the Donkey Kong Jr., it's a vertical MAME orientation, also has a scanline generator. Mala, and some custom graphics. Little assortment of some toys and whatnot. Excuse the decorations. The foosball table. Got the 3-foot by 5-foot arcade painting. My Jordan Jumpman sign that I'm yet to finish. And then here's an upcoming project. It's going to be a Punch-Out Nintendo bar top. Here you got the 4-foot Michelangelo. This is the Jukebox PC with touch jams. Just made this little instruction card to help users. It's a custom skin that I designed for the jukebox, which I'm pretty happy with. Popcorn machine. If you come over here, it's some gaming, the AV equipment, a Bluetooth transmitter, or receiver rather, so the PC jukebox can send the music. Comes through the 5.1. Got my Western Digital TV Live. Pretty cool little gadget. Pretty happy with that. The Ouya, the Wii, the 360. Got the big screen. And as I kind of come around over here, just the consoles. An assortment of consoles. When I think of all the games I gave away over the years, it makes me pretty upset. And then the TV area with some of my artwork collection. Recently, with my new kid born, I had to sort of convert the office down here. So I picked up this desk from IKEA. Small footprint. Want to get rid of this bulky chair. Get something white leather, and then some toys. That's pretty much it.